Welcome to the YCC19 Capacitor Contactor Installation, Commissioning and Operation Video Guide. Before getting started, switch off the power supply and wear insulating gloves and protective safety goggles. We'll need the following tools: wire strippers, crimping pliers, wires that meet the required specifications, an electric screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Before beginning installation, read the instruction manual carefully, confirm that the thermal overload relay parameters and requirements match the intended operating conditions, and select a suitable mounting location. Installation tip: align the upper end of the contactor with the top edge of the DIN rail, then gently press down on the lower end to ensure it clicks securely into place. To remove the contactor, gently press the product downward to release the lower end from the rail, then tilt the product slightly to remove it smoothly. Before wiring, select a cable with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's rated current. For the main power supply cables, carefully strip 11 to 13 mm of insulation from the copper conductor using wire strippers. For the auxiliary circuit cables, carefully strip 9 to 11 mm of insulation from the copper conductor using wire strippers. Then use crimping pliers to firmly crimp the terminals, ensuring a reliable connection. For the YCC19 capacitor contactor, wire as follows: contactor 1L1, 3L2, 5L3, main circuit input terminals 2T1, 4T2, 6T3, main circuit output terminals connected to the capacitor 21, 22, normally closed, auxiliary contact terminals 13, 14, normally open, auxiliary contact terminals, a 1, a 2, coil terminals. It is recommended to use an electric screwdriver with a preset torque value to tighten all terminal connections, ensuring a stable and secure connection. The coil should be supplied with a rated control power voltage before the primary circuit is not energized. The coil can be put into use only after the test action is reliable. After powering on, use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the AC contactor to verify that it is working properly. For any problems, refer to the Troubleshooting Guide, which provides diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, visit console.com or get in touch with us on social media.